Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you already have enabled or accessed your trading account inside your Pepperstone dashboard. So just log into your account right here, and then you want to navigate through the MetaTrader, and from here you then want to open up a trading account. Now, your credentials for Pepperstone is going to be different than your trading account credentials. So you want to make sure that you get your trading account credentials first. From there, we then want to navigate through the MetaTrader 5 or 4. In here, click on File, click on Open an Account, and then you want to search for the company. In our case, it's going to be Pepperstone. And basically inside, we then have multiple options or two options like the Pepperstone MT5 and the Pepperstone UK. So you want to select the right server. In my case, it's going to be the MT5. Click on Next, and then you want to select the last option, which is going to be Connect with an existing trade account. Log in your credentials, and then you want to select your server. Now, the server is going to be listed right beside your credentials. So you then want to navigate through your trading account to make sure that you got all of these credentials right here. Click on Finish and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.